There's a list of things that I try to keep in the background of my mind so that I'm able to produce a certain level of quality each and every day. One is that I want to know what I can do today that would benefit me tomorrow. So I'm constantly thinking about how I can be better than the version of myself yesterday. How many favors can I do for my future self? I want to be consciously aware of this, because if I'm constantly thinking about what I can do for my future self, I can experience better days this way. Because of the efforts I did today, the me tomorrow will appreciate yesterday me. Think about that for any area of life. Even the simplest things is just make sure the dishes are clean before you go to bed. You ain't got to walk to the kitchen in the morning and see God who knows what. You handle your business. Future, you can truly be grateful. Be like, man, that's what's up. Past me. You did your thing. I appreciate that. It's spotless in here. It's clean. Now I can make sure I'm going about my day as smooth as possible. You got clothes laid out for me. I'm not wasting time. The place is clean. I'm prepared for the next day. For some reason, I'm having a much better day today versus leaving problems and troubles for future you. And now future you is like, man, why did I do that? Or why didn't I do that? So yeah, I try to be better than the version of me of yesterday, each and every day as much as possible. Think about that.